Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Python on Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, go to the Python website. After that, navigate to the download section. Then click on all releases. After that, download the latest version of Python by clicking on download Python. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to open the installer. Then select Customize Installation and click on Next. After that, click on Install. Once the setup is installed, go to the Windows search bar and type in Command Prompt. Then click on Open. Over here, type Python version and press Enter. Then your installed Python version will appear. So that's basically how you can install Python on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.